Hello everybody, and welcome to another hotel room tour. This time, we are at the Embassy Suites in St. Charles, here for Anime St. Louis. So, let me show you the room. And I was actually able to join some people this time, so yeah, it wasn't quite as expensive. I actually got to stay at the convention hotel without spending any more money than I would have spent on my own if I didn't. So anyway, here's the Embassy Suites. You walk in the door right here. Never mind the TV noise. To the right, pull-out sofa bed. As you can see, someone's using it. To the right, there's a nightstand. I think it's like a footrest, I think. A table, as you can see, it's filled with snacks right now. Let's see. Keep on going. Here's like a vanity, but it's not like in the bathroom. So that's pretty cool. Complete with a sink, an ice bucket, a refrigerator, which if you have this, I don't think you really need that, but whatever. A microwave. Cabinets under the vanity. Into the bathroom. There we go. There's a mirror. There's your favorite YouTuber. Vanity in the bathroom. The shower. And on to like the bedroom part, I guess. So this is one of those hotels where like the bed's like separate from like the front part. You walk into here, there's a closet. Ironing board and iron. This is the bed that I'm using. Nightstand in between the two beds. The bed my other roommate's using. And there's another TV in here. Actually, is that a curved screen? Oh, no, never mind. That's not a curved screen. I don't know what I'm talking about. And there is a desk. Check out the view. If I can get the curtains to collaborate. And there's the view of the parking lot, and as you can see, it is packed due to Anime St. Louis, which is a very popular convention. And let's see, I guess that's about it. Overall, a pretty nice hotel, and definitely I would definitely recommend staying here if you can get a few friends in on it. But at the price points, I'd say you have to get a few friends in on it before it would be worth the money, because otherwise you can stay like a mile away and spend a lot less. But like I said, with a few friends in on it, then it's not too bad. So definitely stay on it under those circumstances. And that is my review / tour of the Embassy Suites in St. Charles. Hope you enjoyed it. Would recommend, would stay again, and stay tuned for videos of Anime St. Louis. And that's all for now. See you next time.